So, yeah, I think you guys can hear me now. And so, anyways, today I'll be working on a project which is related to building the MVP the for the AI generator tools. Basically, I'll be building image and video generators. And if built uh, like the initial setup for the project, I'll be using Next.js for the front end and back end, Clerk for authentication, Mongo for database, and what am I missing? So basically, these are the things I've used so far: Mongoose, Next, React, Tailwind, and Clerk, and basically like searching components, Redux, and all. So that's not important. The important thing is like the the setup for authentication first. So like I was trying to set up the webhooks for Clerk, so I was getting issues with those. So let me see like how can I configure and debug that thing. Like I'm not able to receive the webhooks properly. So let me see like what exactly is going on over here. So let's see. Um, so I'm basically trying to set up a tunneling URL so that I can receive the webhooks on my localhost. Otherwise, I'll have to deploy application again and again, which is not production grade practice, I would say. I was trying to deploy this application since last 2 hours, but then I got so many build issues, TypeScript issues. But finally, it's in the working state. So yeah, I think we can proceed further with the development now. So let me see like what exactly is the issue over here. Anti-gravity. I mean, it seems like it has registered the connection, but I'm not able to see the URL anywhere. Cannot determine default config. Okay, I think this is the URL for that. And this is what I would have to configure in the webhook dashboard. Add endpoint pi slash clerk webhook, and I want updates for hmm, his user created like basically all these three for now. And yeah, so I have created the webhook endpoint and API webhooks to your energy rock. Okay. Add it to your dot clerk webhook secret, your secret here. Clerk webhook secret. I think I already have that. Oh, yeah. I mean, I think okay, I don't have the webhook secret over here. Oh, I forgot to hide the NVs. So this is quite a sensitive information that I'm sharing right now. But anyways, I'll change it later on. So this is what I've done, and this is the signing secret. What do I have to do with the signing secret? I don't know. Your secret here. Add it to your env clerk webhook secret prefix with framework specified like next public for lectures. Clerk webhook secret. Your secret here. webhook endpoint. Okay, so that's it. Clerk webhook secret is this information. Clerk billing. Alright, so here I have to paste it. This is clerk webhook secret. What else? So I think we'll be good to go now. Let me see if we have any users here. Just delete this. Um, so currently we don't have any users on the application, so I'll just create one. I'll sign in using Google. I'll So basically what I'm gonna be expecting over here is my webhook getting triggered, which I don't know if it has or has not been triggered yet. Mm, Here it has logged in, but webhooks. Hmm. So I was supposed to receive webhook over here. Okay, I got, but these have failed. Temporary redirect. Okay. It redirected these webhooks. I'm not sure why. Surf tunnel error encountered while serving. Oh god, I don't know what the issue is. Let me just. Not 305. Okay, I can use this URL again. Oh, Clerk Webhook. All three updates. And this is the signing secret. Just copy paste. Now again, I'll have to delete the user. Okay, the user has been deleted. And now, okay, so I'll just try to log in again. Here I've logged in, and again it is doing kind of temporary redirect, which I'm not sure why it's happening. the hell? It's like this. I'm not sure, but let me see if I can test it on like production. So this is the production endpoint. This is the signing secret, and this is the production dashboard I have. Where is the NV? Mm, Clerk Webhooks secret. This is the value. And I guess it should have been deployed. Okay, it's deploying, so I can test it again. I'll just delete the only user which we have. Hmm. Okay, it has been deployed, so let me just test the API again. Hopefully, this time we will be able to trigger the webhook and process the user creation method perfectly, because that is where we are stuck as of now. Let me see the logs, live logs, and here are we logged in? Okay, yeah, we have created the user. Okay, still getting 4 of 5. Method not allowed, status bypass. Slash API slash clerk webhook. Not outgoing request. Execution duration 70 milliseconds. Okay, I think the issue here could be related to the keys because I'm not sure if 4 or 5 clerk webhook. Method not allowed. Point but triggers 4. this happens next instead of could it be because of this file? Auto protect. Clerk Webhook. Yeah, this is a public endpoint, so I think maybe this is the issue with that we have. I'll just close this browser and open Safari as well. So what else do I don't need? I don't need anti-gravity. Hmm. So let me just see exactly what's happening over here. This time it should work. Otherwise, I'm just gonna give up again. I mean, for now, I'll start working on it later on, but okay, I am able to log in. Now let me see the logs. Okay, there's some issue, and it is a different issue now. Mongoose server selection could not connect to any servers in your Mongoose Atlas cluster when trying to access database from an IP. Okay, okay, okay. So currently we have like IP issue, IP related issue. This is understandable because I think um I think this is the last thing that we'll have to do. Yeah, this is what we'll have to reduce. But anyways, um hmm, IP access list. For now, enable access from anywhere. Okay, so this is active now. So I think I can again retry this process. Delete the user. Come here, do the login part again. xwave.ai, and yeah, let's see. Okay, this time the webhook was triggered and it said that okay, this was for deletion and there will be one more webhook for creation purpose, and this is it. Find user with retry, attempt 7 failed, retrying, no user found. If user wasn't found, then we must have created the user, I think. Okay, let me see now. This is the database, if the entry is here or not. I guess not. Okay, so this is the users database, and okay, this is dummy data. Okay, here it should be there. Okay, finally we have the user entry in the database. So that means the webhook is working fine now. And I have some other issues over here. Okay, this works. Clerk Webhook, Clerk Webhook. The user is here. I have logged in. Okay. So I think I was able to configure the webhooks perfectly. And what's next? Probably next we'll have to work upon building the UI because this looks so bad. Some things are good, this is good, but these things are not functional yet. So yeah, we'll have to do something about it. But I think for now we are good to go because we have completed setting up with authentication database, and what else do we need? I mean, we'll have to configure this file properly to increase the security of the application because currently, okay, these two endpoints are like public, but we'll have to manage it more efficiently. So this is also working. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'll make another video again later on and I'll work on some other feature.